Good evening. Good evening to all. Good evening. Good evening. Yes. Good evening. Okay. Have you gone through the question papers that I kept in the group? Good evening, children. Have you gone through the question papers that I kept in the group? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Okay. I think we have done the sample paper 2. Is that right or no? Sample paper 2. Have you done? We didn't go through the sample paper 2. Sample paper 2 completed or not? Any doubts in that or we didn't start it? Akansha, sample paper 2 start చేసామా మనం? Good evening, Akansha. Akansha is not there. Few problems are there. Objective type questions are done. Amrita says we did not start sample paper 2. I think she is not there in the class. Children, any doubts in sample paper 2? Kindly go through it. I am giving you 2 minutes time. I think we have done with objective type questions. I think in the school, I know the problem. Sin theta plus cos theta is root 2. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta is 2. That was done. The mean of the following distribution is 18. The frequency f in the class 1921 is missing. Determine f. 27th question. Sin theta plus cos theta, that is explained in the class already. That problem we already explained it in the class. I think you are not there in the class that day. Sin theta plus cos theta is root 2. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta is 2. That one I explained it already. Anyhow, once again I will tell you. Sin theta plus cos theta is root 2. We need to prove tan theta plus cot theta is 2. Okay. So squaring on both sides. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is root 2 whole square. This one a plus b whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is 2. So this is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is 2. Then 2 sin theta cos theta is 2 minus 1. Then sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. Then this 2 come over here and it becomes 1 by 2. So sin theta cos theta value we got 1 by 2. Now take this one, tan theta plus cot theta. Write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta and cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. Now take LCM, cos theta sin theta. And here you will get sin square theta and here you will get cos square theta. Sin square theta, cos square theta, we know it is 1. So 1 by cos theta sin theta. Children, you see here, sin theta cos theta is 1 by 2. Then 1 by sin theta cos theta is 2. So tan theta plus cot theta is 2. Okay na? Sin theta cos theta is 1 by 2. Then its reciprocal becomes 2 na? 1 by sin theta cos theta is reciprocal of sin theta cos theta. If sin theta cos theta is 1 by 2, its reciprocal is 2. So tan theta plus cot theta value is 2. Any other doubts in the paper question? In that paper, children? 34th question. The angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground is 60 degrees. Okay. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation becomes 30 degrees. If the aeroplane is flying a constant height of 3000√3 meters, find the speed of the aeroplane. Speed. We know speed is distance by time. Okay, time we know 30 seconds. We need to calculate the distance. We need to calculate the distance. Okay. So, if you observe the figure, initially the aeroplane is at A, which is at a height of 3000√3 meters from the ground, and from P, point of observation, the elevation is 60 degrees. Okay na? Initially the aeroplane is at A, and from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of aeroplane, which is flying at a height of 3000√3 meters, is 60 degrees. Now, after 30 seconds, aeroplane reaches point B, and from P, the elevation changes to 30 degrees. But height is constant. The aeroplane is maintaining a constant height. Aeroplane is maintaining constant height. Baga ardham cheskondi. Kindly understand properly. Initially the aeroplane is at A. Here initially aeroplane is at A. And from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of aeroplane is 60 degrees. And aeroplane is flying at a height of 3000√3 meters from the ground. Now, after 30 seconds, aeroplane travels from A to B. It travels from A to B after 30 seconds. Then the angle of elevation from P, same P, is 30 degrees. Aeroplane is maintaining constant distance. Okay. So, we need to find out the distance travelled by the aeroplane in 30 seconds. We need to find out the distance travelled by the aeroplane in 30 seconds. If we find out that one, then distance by time will get speed. Distance by time will get speed. Now children, my question is, what is the distance travelled by the aeroplane in 30 seconds from the figure? Can anyone say? What is the distance travelled by the aeroplane in 30 seconds from the figure? Anyone? Initially it was at A and final position is B. So yeah, good, Akanksha. It is AB. It is AB. After 30 seconds the aeroplane reaches from A to B. Okay. I name this one as Q, this one as R. So AB is nothing but QR. Here AB is equal to QR. So we need to find out QR. We need to find out QR. Now, I am considering triangle APQ. Considering triangle APQ. Tan 60 degrees is equal to AQ by PQ. We know tan 60 is root 3. AQ 3000 root 3 by PQ. Then root 3 PQ is equal to 3000 root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. PQ is 3000 meters. The distance between P and Q is 3000 meters. Now, I am considering triangle BPR. Triangle BPR, tan 30 degrees is equal to BR by PR. 1 by root 3 is equal to BR, 3000 root 3 by PR. If we do cross multiply, PR we get is, how much PR? How much will get PR? Tan 30 is equal to BR by PR. That is 3000 root 3 by 1 by root 3 is equal to 3000 root 3 by PR. If we do cross multiplication and simplify, we will get PR. How much it is? 3000 R. Which is right, 3000 or 9000? Ishan Abraham says 3000. Which is right? $3,000 or 9,000, which is 9,000 because 3,000 root 3 into root 3, it becomes 9,000. Okay. Now children, we need to find out QR. We have PQ and we have PR. Can you say what is QR? We have PQ and we have PR. We need to find out QR. Yes, 6,000. Very good. QR is equal to PR minus PQ. 9,000 minus 3,000. 6,000. So, the distance travelled by the aeroplane in 30 seconds is 6,000 meters. So, can anyone say what is the speed of the plane? What is the speed of the aeroplane? Speed of the aeroplane. Speed is equal to distance by time I think we got the distance and we have the time. Yes, 200 meters per second is correct answer. 200 meters per second is correct answer. 200 is wrong answer. So speed is equal to distance by time. 200 meters per second is correct answer. Okay now. So speed of the aeroplane is 200 meters per second. Now any other doubts in second paper? In paper 2, any other doubts, children? Second sum. You are going back again, right? Parashar? Parashar, what can you say about PO, Parashar? What can you say about PO? నేను మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను ఛానల్లో వీడియోస్లో 10th క్లాస్ ప్లేలిస్ట్లో ఒక వీడియో ఉంది టాంజెంట్స్ టు ఏ సర్కిల్ అది తప్పకుండా అందరూ చూడండి ఖచ్చితంగా ఎగ్జామ్స్కి వెళ్ళే ముందని చెప్పాను. I told you to see it compulsorily, tangents to a circle video in 10th class playlist. Then you know what is PO. Point joining the external point in the center. I know that. It is the bisector of angle between the tangents as well as angle between the radii. PO is the bisector of angle between the tangents as well as angle between the radii. అప్పుడు యాంగిల్ ఎస్పిటి 120 ఇచ్చాడు కదా 60 గా డివైడ్ అయిపోతుంది 60 గా డివైడ్ అయిపోతుంది. అప్పుడు కన్సిడర్ ట్రయాంగిల్ POS యాంగిల్ OPS is 60 degrees. Apply trigonometry, you can find out the value, you can find out the relation, you can prove it. Angle OPS is 60 degrees. OPS is 60. So you want the relation between OP and PS. So side adjacent to 60 degrees by hypotenuse cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to PS by OP. We know cos 60 is 1 by 2. We do cross multiply, OP is 2PS. That's all. Angle OPS 60 degrees, that is what we have to understand. Because PO is the bisector of angle between the tangents. PO is the bisector of angle between the tangents. So that 120 degrees it is divided into two equal parts, 60. So angle OPS is 60. Some of you are asking 35th question. The weight of two spheres are same. Metal are 1 kg and 2 kg. The radius of smaller sphere is 3 centimeters. The two spheres are melted to form a single big sphere. Find the diameter of new sphere. At the sum of the volumes of two spheres is equal to volume of big sphere. 34th క్వశ్చన్ ఇప్పుడే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశానే 34th R question. Okay, we'll do that. This one, sum of the volumes of two sphere equal to volume of big sphere, right? One kg into 1 kg is 1000 grams, and 1 gram is equal to how many centimeters? How many centimeter cube? One gram is equal to how many centimeter cube? One gram is 1 ml. 1 gram is 1 ml. So 1000 grams ante 1000 ml. 1 gram is 1 ml. 1000 grams ante 1000 ml, which is 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters na. One gram is equal to 1 milliliter. So 1000 grams ante 1000 ml. 1000 ml which is 1 meter cube. That is easy question only. So volumes of first sphere is 1 meter cube, second sphere is 7 meter cubes. So together it is 8 meter cube. The two spheres are melted to form a big sphere. Find the diameter of new sphere. That is easy question only. 4 by 3 by capital R cube. 4 by 3 by capital R cube is 8 meter cube. Let it be 8. Find out capital R. Next one. Shanvi is asking 34th R question. Amit standing on a horizontal plane. Find a bird flying at a distance of 200 meters from him at an elevation of 30 degrees. Deepak standing on the roof of 50 meters high building. Find the elevation of the same bird to be 45 degrees. Amit and Deepak are on opposite side of the bird. Find the distance of the bird from the Deepak. Easy question only. Suppose bird is over here. Okay. This elevation, this is 200 meters. Is Amit na? This elevation is 60 degrees. Okay. Now Deepak, he is standing on a 50 meters high building. and observe same bird with an elevation of 45 degree. We need to find out this one. This is 50 meters height. This is the figure handy. Now read the question, observe the figure. Oh, 30 degrees, elevation 30 degrees, not 60, 30 degrees. Understand, Shanvi? This is the bird. B is the bird. Amit is standing at A now. He is standing at A and observes a bird with an elevation of 30 degrees. The distance between the bird and Amit is 200 meters. Now Deepak is at D, standing on the roof of a building. Deepak is at D. He is standing on the roof of a building. Okay, observes the same bird with an elevation 50 degrees. Okay, so height of the building where the Deepak is standing is 50 meters. We need to find out y, BD. So how to do this? Any idea, children? How to calculate BD? First, what we have to do? Find BC first, right, Hamsi? We need to find out BC first. So in triangle ABC, sine 30, right? Sine 30, because we need to find out opposite side, we have hypotenuse. BC by AB. You know sine 30 is 1 by 2. BC, AB is 200. So 2BC is 200, BC 100. So the vertical height of the bird is 100 meters. So in that 100 meters, this is 50, then this is also 50. Now what is y there? What is y? What is y value? Again we need to apply sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 is equal to BQ by BD. Sine 45 is BQ by BD. So 1 by root 2 is equal to 50 by y. Correct. Sine 45 in triangle BQD. BQ by BD. BQ we don't know. BD y. BQ 50. Now do cross multiply, y is equal to 50 root 2 meters. So the distance of the bird from Deepak is 50 root 2 meters. Right, children? Yeah, any other question from paper 2? Any other question from paper 2? If you don't have any doubts, then go to paper 3. Go to paper 3. Go to the paper 3, everyone. Read the first question. What is the answer? What is the answer for the first question? C. Yes. Option C correct. 13/2 is right answer. Very good. Next, second question. Second question. What is your answer? Go through the second question, children. What is your answer? 1 0 of the polynomial is reciprocal of the other. Find the value of k. 1 0 is reciprocal of the other means alpha is 1 by beta. We know alpha beta is c by a, but both are reciprocal, so alpha is 1 by beta into beta is c by a. So c by a is 1, c is equal to a. C is equal to a. So k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. Now, third question, children. Third question. What is your answer? 3x plus 4y by x plus 2y is equal to 9 by 4. And what he is asking? 3x plus yy is equal to 3x minus y. He is asking this answer. Option C है. Why? Everyone is saying 7:1. I want reason. Without knowing the reason, how you are getting the solutions? How it is 7:1? Three x is equal to 2y है. Okay. Why 3x is equal to 2y, Sanvi? How you got 3x is equal to 2y? Simplification means cross multiplication. Is that right? 12x plus 16y, do cross multiply. 9x plus 18y. 12x minus 9x is equal to 18y minus 16y. 3x is equal to 2y. We got 3x is equal to 2y. Now substitute in this 3x, substitute 2y. 2y plus 5y by 2y minus y. 7y by y. 7 is to 1. 7y by y, which is 7 is to 1. Okay. Now, next question. Question number 4. The value of k for which the system of equations is inconsistent. Inconsistent. Inconsistent means I am not asking the answer, children. What do you mean by inconsistent? What is the condition for inconsistency? No common solution, that is right. Then how can it be 10? Parallel lines condition क्या है? Parallel lines condition A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So what is A1 by A2? 1 by 5. B1 by B2 2 by K. C1 by C2 minus 3 by 7 not equal. Now K not equal to minus 14 by 3 पूरा what's गए K value here, right? 10 correct. Do cross multiply. K is equal to 10. K 10 correct. Do cross multiply here. So 1 by 5, 2 by 10, minus 3 by 7. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5 not equal to minus 3 by 7. K value 10 correct. Next question. The roots of the equation x square minus 0.04 are x square minus 0.04. X plus 2 by 10, x minus 2 by 10. So x is equal to minus 2 by 10, x is equal to 2 by 10. That means x is equal to plus or minus 0.2. X is equal to plus or minus 0.2. Okay. Now, next question. The quadratic equation 2x square minus root 5x plus 1 has 2x square minus root 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means what is the nature of roots? Nature of roots. P square minus 4ac. No real roots. Correct answer. B square minus 4ac, you are getting 8 minus 5. 5 minus 8. Negative 3, you are getting negative value. B square minus 4ac, you are getting negative value. Only 23 are present today. Kavindra, Chanak, Chaitanya, many are not there. Tarak is there. Tarak is not there. Ishan Abraham is there. Ishan Paida. Divya Bararia. Meghna. Aparajita. Meghna Aparajita. Teja Pindi. Teja Pindi is not there. Satvika Lakshmi. Okay. Next question. Sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression negative 0.5, negative 1, negative 1.5 is 31. Sum of n terms of AP is given as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is first term and d is common difference. So, assertion, reason, question. What is your option? S10 is given as 31, we need to verify. A negative 0.5. I think D negative 1 minus 0.5. Negative 0.5. D is also negative 0.5. You need to calculate N10. N10. So S10. 10 by 2 into 2a. Negative 1 plus 9d. Negative half. This is 5. Negative 1 plus negative 4.5. 5 into negative 5.5. 5 into negative 5.5, how much then? Negative 27.5. Negative 5.5 into 5. Negative 27.5. So it is given positive 31. So that means assertion A is false but reason true. D correct answer. B is correct answer. You are giving answers quickly, how it is possible? So we are doing and saying the answers, that is very good. Who is Mohini Devi? If the common difference of AP is 5, then A 18 minus A 13, D 5, A 18 minus A 13. A 18 minus A 13, A plus 17D minus A minus 12D, A cancel, 5D, so 25 is the correct answer. 25 is the correct answer. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle with which each side is 2p. AD perpendicular to BC, then the value of AD is ABC is an equilateral triangle. AD is perpendicular to BC. We need to find out this length of AD. Side of equilateral triangle is 2p units given. And he is asking about length of AD. Length of AD, children. Bodepalli says it is root 3p. What is the reason? Apply Pythagoras theorem. We know that in a right angle triangle, altitude bisects the base. So this 2p becomes P and P. Now AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. AB square, BD square. So AD square is equal to 3p square. AD is equal to root over 3p square. P root 3 or root 3 times P. It is root 3 times P. It is not root 3p. Whoever said root 3p is wrong answer. Root 3 times p is correct answer. Option B. Option B is right answer. Option B is correct answer. Now go ahead with the 10th question. In the figure, O is the center of the circle, PQ is a chord, PT is a tangent, which makes an angle 50 degrees. With the PQ. Now what is angle POQ? What is angle POQ? Angle POQ. Sampath Gowda says C. Akanksha C. 100 correct answer. 100 correct answer. Because this is given 50 degrees. POQ, and we know that this total is 90, then this will be 40, and these two sides are equal. This is also 40, 40, 80, then this will be 100 degrees. Angle POQ is 100 degrees. No class nana, you are 9th class where repanninchu. Today no class for class 9th. Tomorrow you have tomorrow onwards. Because radius is perpendicular to the tangent at their point of contact. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at their point of contact. So OPT, this is 90. Since this is 50, this will be 40. And we know PO and QO are equal, 40, then this will be 100. Next question. See the next question. Cos alpha plus beta is 0 degrees. Then sin alpha minus beta can be reduced to cos 90. Cos 90 0, is that right? I think this is question number 11 is out of syllabus. Complementary angles related. It is related to complementary angles. Alpha plus beta 90 I know. But this concept related to complementary angles which is not there for you. Okay na? Next, go to 12th question. Go to 12th question. A tree casts a shadow of 15 meters long on the level ground when the angle of elevation of sun is 45 degrees. Then what is the height of the tree? Sun's altitude it is given 45 degrees na? Height of the tree and its shadow both are same. Sun's altitude is 15 degrees. Sun's altitude is 15 degrees. So height of the tree as well as Tarak you have joined now. Tarak నీకు అసలు బుద్ధి ఉందిరా, నువ్వు మనిషివేనా అసలు? What no? What no? Tarak, what no? But why you didn't respond when I call you? నేను నిన్ను పిలిచినప్పుడు ఎందుకు పలకలేదు? సంపత్ కూడా రీసెంట్ గానే జాయిన్ అయ్యాడు. ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ దేర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్. Sampath Gowda is also not there from the beginning. Next question. A sector is cut from a circular sheet of radius 100 centimeters. The angle of sector is 240 degrees. If another circle of area same as the sector formed, the radius of new circle is internet issue. అంటే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సెక్టర్ యాంగిల్ 240 degrees. Sector angle 240 degrees and radius 100 centimeters. So area of this sector is equal to area of another circle, and you need to find out the radius of new circle. That means theta by 360 into pi r square is equal to pi, let it be r1 square pi r2 square. This is what given. Area of sector of radius r1 and sector angle 240 is equal to radius of circle with r2. Area of circle with r2 radius. So theta by 360 into pi r1 square is equal to pi r2 square. Pi get cancelled. 240 by 360 into 100 square is equal to r2 square. So 0 cancel. 12 2s are 12 3s are. So r2 square is equal to 100 square into 2 by 3. Then radius is equal to root over 100 square into 2 by 3. 10 root 2 by 3. Radius of new circle is 10 root 2 by 3. A sector is cut from a circular sheet of radius 100 centimeters. Angle that is equal to another circle the same area same as the circle is formed. Hundred square 100 sorry 100 square 100. So root over 2 by 3 calculate from the actually itla root over 2 by 3 you are not able to calculate na. So simply write like this only centimeters. That's all. Radius of new circle is 100 into 2 root 2 by 3. That's all. ఒకవేళ వాడు నీకు డెసిమల్స్లో అడిగితే నీకు రూట్ 2 by 3 వాల్యూ ఇస్తాడు. ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు కదా అట్లాగా. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? Next question. The base radii of a cone and cylinder are equal. Base radii are equal. Means a cone and cylinder both are having same radius. If their curved surface areas are also equal. అంటే ఏమిటి అర్థం? 2 pi r h is equal to pi r l. 2 pi r h is equal to pi r l. Then the ratio of the slant height of the cone to the height of the cylinder. What is this? Pi r cancel. 2h is equal to L. 2 is equal to L by h. 2 is to 1. L by h is equal to 2 is to 1. Radius equal, curved surface areas kuda equal. Radii are equal and CSA are also equal. He is asking L by h, which is 2 is to 1. I think the remaining questions are easy from the coordinate geometry. You can do it. So all the best children for tomorrow's exam. Don't leave any question unanswered. Don't leave any question unanswered. Try to write something from the question. Don't leave any question. I want all the students need to write all 38 questions. And don't waste the time with helping others. ఇంకొకరికి సహాయం చేస్తూ లేదా కాపీ చేయడానికి ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తూ మీ టైం మీరు వేస్ట్ చేసుకోమాకండి. డోంట్ వేస్ట్ ద టైం, బికాస్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ సఫిషియంట్ టు కంప్లీట్ ద పేపర్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి డిసిప్లిన్డ్. You have to be disciplined in writing the exam. If you waste your time, you are going to lose your marks. Don't help others and don't waste your time in helping others. And be disciplined. And don't try to leave any question. Don't try to leave any question. You write some, at least an answer related to the question. If you don't know answer totally. Okay na? So all the best. Carry your geometry box, everything, pencil, 2 pens, everything, pencil, square, eraser, everything. Okay na? Okay, dhanyawad. Thank you very much. All the best.